Do you need an equipment that wows your customers, is safe and hygienic, improves employee satisfaction and provides you with the max value? If yes, then Convotherm Maxx is there to solve all your worries. You can serve a wide variety of items for lunch and for dinner using a compact kitchen space. To start the cooking process, we use the 7-inch TFT high-res glass touch display, where we can simply choose the recipe and the oven is ready to go. It's helpful even for your semi-skilled operators. The Convotherm Maxx provides you with one extra tray so that you can cook more in the same chamber. The crisp and tasty provides you with meats which are crisp on the outside and tender and juicy on the inside. The self-climate control ensures that the food gets cooked in the perfect environment, resulting in a perfect cook every single time. Now let's load a Mumbai speciality, the Patrani Machhi, along with the light and tasty yellow dal and rice. Cooking so many food items at one time needs constant attention. Well, no, just use the multiple tray timer and let the oven take care of all the rest. The triple glass door ensures that the door is cool to touch, safe, and it reduces your energy consumption. And with the door being opened multiple times, there is always a risk of bacterial growth on the door handle. The handle is coated with silver ions to reduce the bacterial growth. Our lunch or dinner menu can never be complete without a biryani, a butter chicken, and a dal makhani. The Maxx has a flexible, hands-free, automatic, liquid-based cleaning system. This makes cleaning easy without leaving any solid residues and eliminates any need of handling chemicals. For hygiene, you can disinfect the oven cavity and your cooking accessories with the hygiene steam. With a one-stop solution for all your cooking needs, the Convotherm Maxx provides you with fantastic benefits. It is an all-rounder and a workhorse for your kitchen. Better cook quality gives you more satisfied customers. Less space plus less cooking manpower results in reduced operating costs and helps you save your money. Contemporary and easy to use as it is digitally connected, reduces your energy bills by saving operating costs. Happier employees lead to happier customers, which will always give you higher profits. And also, it gives you increased hygiene and sanitation. All this combined would make the Convotherm Maxx just right for you.